Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of a keto ice cream. So it's a coconut cheesecake frozen custard. So the reason it's called a frozen custard is because it's got egg yolks, and this freezes much better than a regular ice cream. That's why I make frozen custards, because they make a creamier ice cream. So you could make a keto ice cream. Frozen custard doesn't require an ice cream machine, which is great about it. The normal ice creams will sometimes crystallize a little bit. There is always ways around that, but this one is so much easier. You will see how it goes. So let's go ahead and watch the recipe.
I'm going to use a mixture of fresh cream and coconut cream. So about 3/4 cup of coconut cream and 1 whole and 1/4 cup of fresh cream. You can take any proportion you like, so you can take all coconut cream if you want. It turns out really good. I just wanted to go light on the coconut flavor, but I think next time I'm going to go with whole coconut cream. I've changed the pot now, and now I'm adding 4 egg yolks. I'm going to use the egg whites to make bread. So whenever I make a frozen custard or something that uses egg yolks, I also make a keto bread along with that, so that I don't waste any of this. So I'm using the last bit of all the egg yolk, putting it in, and since our cream is cold, it's safe to mix our egg yolks at this point. I've also added half a cup of cream cheese, and as this warms up, the cream cheese will melt and mix up in the mixture. 1/4 cup of sweetener. I've used monk fruit sweetener. You want to use a little sweetener in the beginning and then adjust according to your liking. So I'm going to give it a taste now. So here, I needed 2 more tablespoons, so I've added that. 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to mix all of this and let this come to a boil. Once it boils, it thickens and becomes a custard, and you can see the custard is ready. I'm going to pour this in this container and put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours or so, or until it thickens properly. So that is done. It's out of the refrigerator, and take a look. Look at how thick it is, and once your mixture is that thick, it's very easy to make a lovely creamy ice cream. So if you're making an ice cream with a custard mixture, you will not get any crystallization.
Before you forget, I want to remind you to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell on all notifications so that you're notified every time that I add a new recipe. Also, don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. I have also shared information about all the gadgets and kitchen stuff that I love to use. All of that is on my website, and link to that is in the description too.
So in my case, I'm using an ice cream machine here, but if you have a frozen custard mixture is not going to crystallize as much, so you can just put it in the refrigerator for 8 hours or so, and every 30 minutes or so use a hand blender to mix it together and put it back in the refrigerator. In the freezer section, of course, my ice cream is ready. I've put it in a container, and look at how creamy and beautiful it is. It's absolutely velvety, and you will not make out that it's a keto ice cream, and it's just as fatty and creamy like a keto ice cream, but it tastes like a regular one. So I hope you guys try it out. Trust me, it's great. This is the last bit of it, and I'm going to scrape it out using a plastic or a wooden spatula always, or you'll damage your pot. If you want an ice cream machine, I have a link in the description. Check that out. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for another hour. That's when the texture is the best. And look at that. Can you believe how beautiful it looks? And these are a couple of coconut flakes because it's a coconut ice cream. And look at how creamy it is.
This goes really well with my pecan pie recipe. That's also a keto recipe. This is also a keto recipe, and they go really well together. I had promised that I will share this recipe. It got a little late. I hope you guys will check both these recipes out and try them out. Let me know in the comments section how it turned out for you. Also share pictures on my social media handles. All the information is in the description section, and thanks for watching.